in 2020, I lost over 40 family and friends to COVID.
Some of the parents that I served had lost their job. There's others that was homeless.
People being really concerned about where they were going to get their next meal or rent. Others were extremely afraid of the virus. They didn't know if their kids were going to be safe in a childcare environment.
There was uncertainty, isolation, sadness, stress.
In the times of pandemic, it became really crystal clear how important childcare was to be able to keep the essential workforce working.
The business community started echoing what parents have been saying for decades, that we need to have more access to childcare.
The nation at large really learned how much childcare is important. Memory can be short, and we need to use this opportunity and really move forward with it and keep reminding people of what happened in the pandemic.
There was an urgency to catch up with COVID-19. We put together our first COVID-19 health and safety training by April 5th, less than 3 weeks into shelter in place.
Hi, I'm Margie Stokes. I've been in childcare since 1984. I am the owner and provider of Marge Childcare INC.
Hi, I'm Josanne Stokes. I'm Margie's daughter, and I've been working at Marge Childcare since 2013. Children Council helped us by sending us through training on how to reopen. And then they had the public health nurses and all of the information from licensing and CDC explaining to us how we go about doing it. We had a cohort, a coach. She shared and had us check out everything that Children Council was putting out with grants. Some of it I would have totally overlooked, didn't think we qualified for, and they said, yes, you do qualify for that.
I contacted the Children's Council at the beginning of March, and I submitted my licensing paperwork right before the shelter in place took place. I got my license at the end of April of last year, and I started operations June 1st of 2020. Children's Council played a huge role in everything. Not only they provided information, they've also provided cleaning gear and necessary resources. They actually provided all of those things, which was fantastic. Children's Council was very instrumental in helping me open and helping me run so far.
The needs of working families have changed during COVID. Children's Council has needed to adapt to new technologies to be able to support families during these challenging times. Our online childcare finder is a search tool where families can go and navigate and find where is there available care for them in San Francisco. We've elevated information around who is open, what programs are open during the pandemic, our virtual play groups, our parent cafes, our parenting and education workshops. All of this is now available to families and early educators virtually. We also have been able to distribute hundreds or maybe even thousands activity kits and PPE materials to early educators.
I have children who want to be active and have different opportunities and engage with other people and see other people their age. And Children's Council helped us still be able to maintain some of those activities. Even if we weren't able to run up and hug people, we can see you through the screen and still say hi and still engage with people. But on the days that we were able to come and pick up the materials for class, we could have those positive interactions as well. You know, it was fun.
I can share the story of a mother who is a single parent mom. She had lost her job. She was homeless. I let her know that she's not alone in this, that we are in this together. And I was able to help her with resources. I was also able to encourage her, to empower her, to advocate for her. one day I got a call from her and she told me, "Hey, Javi, I got a job. I'm very excited." And she told me, "I believed in your words. I believed in your encouragement. I believed in everything you told me." And that really blew me away.
I want to thank Children's Council. They cared so much for us. They checked on us all the time and made sure we had everything that we needed and to safely reopen and keep our business open. I want to thank Children's Council. Yes, thank you very much.
It's very important organizations like Children's Council continue to provide the services, especially in such difficult times as we have right now, where people are losing their jobs, and useful and helpful information that they can receive is the first step on their way to recovery and on their way to success.
Many of the families expressed gratitude to me by saying thank you. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for remembering that I exist. Thank you for giving me the dignity through your strength and words. Thank you.
I think investing in children and families is one of the best things that we can do to be able to help give parents, caregivers, providers, whoever is involved with children and families, to give people the best resources, the most information. It's important that we do our jobs well. And I think the more that we can learn, the better we can do it.
What I would say to our families and early educators is that you're not alone. Children's Council is here to support you. Please visit our website or give us a call. To those who are watching, San Francisco doesn't work without childcare. We need your help.